Hi, it's Natalie from Belcourt Property Group, and Jodie Mazzell and I are super excited to be bringing you 54 Bradford Street Menora. Look, if you're looking for an amazing value, entry-level family home in a prestige suburb, this is the one to buy. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus study and 2 living areas, all nestled on a full 707 square metre block. Let's go and have a look inside. So before we step inside, there's just a few features that I want to draw your attention to. First off, these gorgeous native gardens, which are all bore reticulated, and then obviously the double garage and plenty of off-street parking for at least a further 2 cars. You've got a really sort of tidy facade. This little bit at the front has been a later extension, and that's something that you could update down the track if you wanted. You've got a really nice entry area. There's also French doors off the formal lounge, and you can see that there is a solar panel box and there is a 2.4 kilowatt untold solar power system. Let's have a look in the rooms. Okay, so once we sort of pop in, there's formal entry, and then off here to the left is the study, and it's got that gorgeous picture window at the front. So if you're here working from home, you've got beautiful views. This is actually a really spacious room and could function as a bed for, if needed, quite easily. So you can kind of get a sense of all of the space. Certainly there's a lot of bookshelves there. Really nice and practical. So we come forward into the home. Now we've got basically the bedroom wings down here on the right, and yes, we're doing our photo shoot while we're here as well, and floor plans. And then over to the left, I had to think about that then, is the formal lounge. So you've got these beautiful timber windows, French doors leading out to the front. You can see plenty of space. The original fireplace that would have been over there. Just a really lovely room. One of the real hallmarks of this home is the level of light. The owners have very cleverly opened it up to really take advantage of that northern orientation that is off the back corner. And there is Jodie making her notes. Hey Jodes. So the kitchen, so all of this has been opened up by the sellers, so to create this gorgeous open plan kitchen, living, dining space. The kitchen, I think, is about 10, possibly 12 years old. It has all been renovated. You've got beautiful stone bench tops, really lovely quality appliances, gas cooktop, overhead cupboards. I'm going to swing around. You can see that there's even more sort of cupboard space and nooks over there, and these terrific overhead cupboards and fridge here as well. Just swing around. So obviously great island bench, dishwasher popped under there, and sink, and this beautiful bank of sliding doors leading outside. And then you can see around to the family room and dining room, which again, just full of natural light and a great space to spend time. Let's go and have a look at the bedroom wing before we pop outside. So we're back to the hall, and we're going to move through first to the main bedroom. You can see there's split system aircon. You've got a nice queen size bed. You've got plenty of room for bed sides. There is an ensuite bathroom, and there is a walk-in robe as well. We'll do the ensuite bathroom first. Tidy shower in the corner and loo, and great little vanity and lots of mirrors, maybe too many. You can see me. Hello. There is a walk-in robe here, and there is also extensive built-in robes in the other bedrooms as well. We'll come back out. Hello. Okay, we'll come down the hallway. You can see that there is again lots of extra storage, and that is all built in and is going to stay. And you've got the 2 further bedrooms here towards the back of the home. Both really good size, both will fit double beds very easily. This one has got 2 very large built-in robes. You probably are not going to need both of those, but the owner has used those for extra storage. And you've got again another really great size bedroom at the back here. Easily fits a double bed. You've got plenty of space for a robe in here as well, and really lovely views from both rooms out to the external gardens and veggie patch. There's the loo in the corner. Family bathroom, really good size. So you've got shower over the bath, nice little skylight, good size wide vanity, and the laundry has also been updated. So again, really good space, storage, and good access direct out to the back. So talking of backyards, here we are outside, and this is one of my favourite features of the home. You've got this beautiful peppermint that's sitting in the backyard. Gorgeous feature. You've got just really lovely outdoor spaces to kind of entertain and play in. If you did prefer to have a pool or lawns, you could certainly put those in, but I really love the sense of oases that the sellers have created. You've got a really nice sitting area there. You've got lots of mature plants. Again, it's all designed to be easy care and low maintenance, apart from the veggie patches, which need a little bit of work, but how good are they? So they've just really made fantastic use of this block. I'll come back to that, but I just want to swing past here. So again, you can see this really great outdoor space and how it just comes straight off the back of the house. Terrific use of glass and light in the property. There is undercover storage there, but there is also the big double garage. We're not going to pop in there today, but certainly you've got plenty of room for cars. You've got this beautiful olive tree and all of these veggie patches. If you really wanted to, you could rip it out and put a pool, and then you've got space to move them as well. Look, there is just space, and that's what most people are looking for in terms of family homes in this area. So gorgeous sort of seating area. You can pop all your bean bags and everything around your fireplace and chimera there, and there is another view of that peppermint tree. It is just glorious. And last but not least, location-wise, this is an absolute cracker. You've got Coolbinia Primary School 300 metres that way. You've got ECU 600 metres that way. Mount Lawley High School is only another 200 metres further on. Alexander Park Tennis Club with their fabulous Friday night socials is 350 metres that way, and the beautiful Yokine Reserve with all its walk trails and dog exercise areas is 500 metres that way. You've got transport direct to the city, and if you want to walk, drive, or dare I say it, ride, it's about 3.5 kilometres away. And then of course all of the social precincts: North Perth, Mount Lawley, Inglewood, Mount Hawthorn. What is not to love? Call now for further details, or see you at a home open. Have a great day.